Good afternoon, everyone. It's Izzy here. And today I'm going to be starting a new project. And the project is that we're going to be repairing a Vitamix that we bought about 4 or 5 years ago. And coincidentally, my son went out and bought, he went out and replaced the Vitamix that he has with another blender that looks like a Vitamix, so it looks like a Vitamix, spins like a Vitamix, but in no way is it a Vitamix. And anyways, it was a $90 blender that he picked up for $40 on Slick Deals. The problem is that the thing is really cheaply made. I mean, it's when you turn it on and you start spinning the motor, you could actually start smelling the motor burning up. I mean, the thing is really cheap. It's not going to last a month or anything. But anyways, so what I did was I want to start this video. I'm going to create this video to show him how easy it is to repair these Vitamixes. Okay, so with no further ado, let me show you. Okay, so here we have the Vitamix, okay? And this is going to be a little hard to do with one hand, but basically what we're going to replace is the coupler here. Now what happens is that the teeth on this coupler over time starts to wear, and then basically what'll happen is, see the gear there? That gear will start slipping. So basically, if you hit like ice, or if you hit anything hard in the blender, mainly ice, it won't break it apart. It just sits there and spins. So basically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and show you guys on how to replace it. You could easily go on Amazon, or this one was Amazon, and this is the part number there. See that the part number there, 00891 for my Vitamix. I mean, you got to look it up for your Vitamix, of course. But this is the part we're replacing. Very nice. It comes with the tool to replace it. And here's the old one, okay? And I'm going to show you guys how this is done. So basically, the way it's done is you can see the word Vitamix here. You see the word Vitamix? What you do is you line it up straight, because what you're looking for, make sure it's unplugged, by the way. We're always safe here, mine is unplugged. But anyways, back here, you can see right there. I don't know if you can see that. You see that little white thing? That's a little silicone, but that's a little hole. Okay, so what you're going to do is the following. You're going to come here to the kit. Hold on. Gotta get this out of the kit. Okay, yeah, it does have a kit, and I'm going to take the gear out. Okay, this is the gear. Okay, so basically, this is what you do. You take this key. Okay. You line up the word Vitamix straight, like that. You take the key, and you slip it inside here. This is an Allen wrench, okay? It's better known as an Allen wrench. You stick it down in here, okay? And basically what you do is you start unscrewing it, okay? And as you unscrew it, I'll show you a couple turns here. You pull it out, and there. You see? Very simple. Once you pull that little key out, okay, you take this, you pull it out, okay. What you're turning is this thing here. See that little Allen screw right there? That's what you're turning. So anyways, you take this one out, take the new one, you put it in place, put it back in place right there. The word Vitamix, where is it? Okay, right there, okay. And then what you do is you take the key, put it back in there, just like this, okay? Just like this, and you start tightening it up, just like I'm doing here. Then tight, okay? You pull this back out. This is nice and tight, okay? And basically that's it. And once you do that, then you'll put the this thing back on it. You plug it in, and you'll be back in business, okay? So there you have it. So something that costs, and I'll tell you, you can actually buy a new blade and the gear, you know, both parts, for around $70 or $80 if you want to do the whole thing. But this kit here cost me, I think it cost me, you can buy it for like, I think I paid $38, $38 or $40 for it. Anyways, that little kit, and that's it. And then once you do that, it's like having a brand new, you just brought the thing back to life. So, okay, so if you found this video useful, please hit that like button down below. And as always, subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, make sure you leave them down below, okay? And for you, Jacob, there you have it. Instead of spending your money on a piece of garbage, return it, get your money back, and order the right part and do it the right way. And you'll have many, many more years of good use out of that machine. Okay. Have a great afternoon. Hope you learned something. See you soon. So long.